Alright guys, I've got a really handy how-to today. And excuse me if you hear a lot of noise here in a moment because I'm sitting in my car right now killing time, and I thought I'm going to show the world how to do this. Alright, Bluetooth. A vast majority of the world has them. Alright, there it is. You know what it is. This is my spare that's in the car because I left my good one in the house. Duh. So I keep a spare in the car. And there's the little rubber earpiece that goes on it. Anyway, the problem with Bluetooth, okay, you've got this, and the you know that there's an ear hook that goes right here, like that, and you hook it around, and it hooks around your ear. Well, the problem with those are they constantly break, and then you got to order one because unless you find a little cell phone like parts store that sells those things, you order them. You go to eBay, you go to Amazon, and the cheap ones that are like $1 or $2, they come from China. Literally, takes about 15 days to deliver, and then you'll probably get stuck with shipping for like $8. Look what I thought of. Look what I did, and I fixed mine. Watch. This is too cool. Ta-da! It's a pipe cleaner. Now watch this. I'm going to pause this just a moment. Okay, so I got the pipe cleaners at Wally World. 90 cents for like a pack of, I don't know, how many you guess are in there? 24? Something like that? For $1? Alright, and it's readily available, okay? Hang on. Alright, sorry, had a very loud car go by. Anyway, so you take the pipe cleaner, fold it in half, okay, bend it in half, leave about maybe 1.5 inches here at this end, okay, because you're going to take this piece right here and wrap it around the stem of the Bluetooth. Let me pause while I do that. Okay, there you see, I have wrapped that around the stem of the Bluetooth. Look at that. It's stiff enough that it will wrap, but it's soft and fuzzy, as you know, so it will not scratch anything. And just a moment. Okay, so what I did in that pause, I took that stem that was here and I wrapped it around the other one, okay? So now they're kind of like a double strength wire. So now what you want to do is, now you just bend that pipe cleaner to the shape of the ear clip. Now get this, guys, the great part about this is something that those that you purchase that just clip on here, because you know those always break. This is soft wire, and you know it's a pipe cleaner, so it's fuzzy. It's not going to be uncomfortable. Once you put this on your ear, just pinch it to fit tightly and snugly on your ear. And the fuzzy on it keeps it from scratching or being uncomfortable. Alright? So that is a quick repair to put an ear hook back on your Bluetooth. There you go. Have a great day.